So about 2 hours ago on Facebook I posted no more budgies, because every single shop that sells birds only has budgies at the moment, and the reason is that with the price of electricity going up, a lot of the finch breeders have cut their heating to their aviaries, which doesn't affect the finches particularly, but it does mean that they don't think to breed across winter itself. So anyway, I went in just to check the bird shop, local bird shop in town, just in case, and I found a budgie that I liked, and the reason I like it is because he's very unusual. He's white. He is a pure white budgie. Now yellows, blues and greens are common, but white, I don't think that's so common, so I just had to buy him. And now I suppose I ought to put him in his in the aviary, because just like Jens, he doesn't particularly like being in the box. So here is Jens, and there he is. Look at him. He's white. It's a white budgie. He has definitely been in the wars a little bit. Baby budgies do tend, unfortunately, to sort of bite one another's tails, and you see his tail feathers there in terrible condition. Now don't worry, because those will eventually grow out and drop out, and so long as Jens doesn't decide he will do exactly the same thing, they should grow back sort of normal. But he has unfortunately been bullied as a child. He's also got pin feathers coming through, and he obviously scratches, because look, he's broken one there, and that's bled a little bit, so we just have to keep an eye on Josh to make sure he settles in okay. Yeah, I can hear you, Jojo, you can be quiet now. Jens and Wyman over here. Jens, well, who knows whether Jens will ever have much to do with Josh or not. I suppose they'll probably, a little bit like Wyman, I don't suppose he wants to get close. But Wyman already has sat on the same perch as Josh, and in reasonably close contact without any problem. But he's absolutely beautiful. It's just the colour, I can't believe I've got a bright white budgie. Now his beak is a bit curved. I need to keep an eye on his beak in case it's the sort that might curl under, because his song sounds a lot like Wyman, but his beak growth could be like Jens. Jens needs to go to the doctors every so often to have his beak clipped. And I just need to be careful just to make sure. Actually, he's totally alright with the camera, isn't he? Look at that, he is an absolutely beautiful bird. Really beautiful. Perhaps Jojo's alarming because of the new bird, actually. That could be the case. He's also, I don't know if you saw then, but he was able to hover. Oops, this could be exciting. They might not get on too well. No, nothing too serious. That was his first meeting with Jens. he sounds exactly like Wyman. To the male Budgie. There's Jens. See, the problem with this focus is it's focusing on the wrong thing. It's focusing on the wire and not on Jens. It's Jens I want it to focus on. There we are. Oh, now, then he goes and moves. Yes, that's about right, isn't it? Now, hang on. They're back again. And now they're fighting. Play nice, Jens. Ooh, Josh fought back. Ooh! I don't think we'll have any trouble with Josh in here. Might want to keep an eye on the interaction between these two, though. Jens is likely to be like this to anybody, I'm afraid. Well, they do settle down. Oh, there's Josh on the wire there. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful.